Welcome to WiseMonkey. Please share and subscribe. We'll show you how to, in like 5 to 10 minutes, do a headlight polish. This is, I think, someone like Chris Fix showed how to do this using CLEARCOAT. So we'll try that, and we'll try like without any surface preparation. So no prep at all. We'll just wipe it. So with a cloth, and it's pretty rough, this headlight. Will not do any sanding or anything. We'll just straight mask with the duct tape and then spray. Let's see how it works. So use the tape. It's a duct tape. It's pretty sticky actually. It's hard to bring it out. Anyway, this all around, not too much, but you can go more than this to cover. That's ideal. I'm gonna spray this one. So it's basically 5 minutes to mask, and let's see. Shake the bottle well, and then make sure the wind direction is kind of towards the engine bay, so it doesn't go all over the paint. It's about 10 inches, 8 to 10 inches away from the light. Just I'll go like this. Huge difference actually. Just within 5 to 10 minutes probably we do another coat. This is an old vehicle, so we're not taking much care to mask, but amazing difference. Right now it's all wet though, so how long it's gonna last we don't know. We'll see. Okay, huge difference. Look at the other one, how easy it is. Looks nice and shiny. Hey, please share and subscribe.